Hello, my name is Abiodun Mustafa. Welcome to my YouTube video on how to easily get article references for your citations using Google Scholar. How to easily get article references for your citations using Google Scholar. Probably a lot of times you find out that while you're making your research writings, in between you make some citations saying maybe Mustafa et al. 2011 or Mustafa et al. 2018, and eventually you realize that you need to really have a reference to all of your citations, but you seem not to be able to find them. Now, what's the easy way to really get these articles making use of Google Scholar? So I'll be showing you in the next few minutes on how you can get this done. So I'll make use of an example, a sample write-up. Now let's imagine this is a particular write-up. So this is a write-up, but the person cited as a result of writing, and probably he got across an abstract or a complete article. But while he was writing, he cited it, but he did not write the reference immediately. Though I would always advise that as you make your research writings, you can move ahead while you cite, you write your references immediately. But if it happens that you forgot to reference, there's nothing to be scared about. Yeah, there's an easy way using Google Scholar on how you can actually reference your work. Now, this is how it goes. Now, this is an article where there are a lot of citations, but there seem not to be any reference. So what you can simply do is you can go to your computer system, just look for your notepad, open your notepad. Let's leave the notepad opened the way it is. Now, I want to look for the reference for this particular work, Abu and Mahdi 2016. Abu and Mahdi 2016. So what do? I launch my Google Scholar. So I go to scholar.google.com. It brings me here. And then I copy that particular citation. So Abu and Mahdi 2016, I copy that citation. But as I do that, I begin to read through what it says. Here I have expert system to help in diagnosing food diseases. So in my citation, I should be taking note of that. So I go in here, Abu and Mahdi 2016. I try to click on the search option. Okay, Abu and Mahdi. Now it seems not to be giving me that. So what do? I still go to the article, and then I still copy expert system to help diagnosing food, in diagnosing food diseases, and then I had that as a plus. I put that there. I press enter and try to search. You see, immediately it brings out the reference. So I have a proposed expert system for food diseases diagnosis, which is exactly what I'm looking for. Then I come to this quotation button that I have down here. I click on it. So it brings out all the reference types in MLA, in APA, in Chicago, in Harvard. So let's say I want to make use of APA. I just copy this, go to my notepad, and then paste it there. Okay, go to my notepad and then paste it there. Or I may choose to open this particular article. In opening it, I would get all of the information I have. I have the URI. If I need to make use of the DOI, if it's provided, if it's available, I can also find it there. So this is one way to really get diverse citations for your work. Now let me try another one. Let me move on. So I come in here again. Ahmed et al. 2017. Okay, I can also copy this, bring it here. I clear this, copy this, put it there, and see. Now you would find out that there seems to be an error. This is Ahmed et al. 2017. Now we seems to have Ahmed Maruf, but it seems there is a wrong citation. That's another way to find the wrong citation. I click on it, so I find out that because that person is being Ahmed, so this author actually cited that paper wrongly, which means it's supposed to be Maruf et al. 2017, not Ahmad et al. 2017. So I copy this, I paste it here, and then I go back to my article and do what? I cite correctly. I go back to my article and cite correctly. So this is the correct citation. Now, how do I know? You see that add abdomen diseases such as ulcer and all of that. Let me check it there. So I have knowledge-based system for long-term abdominal pain, stomach pain, which is exactly what that statement is talking about. So I want to get another one. Let's try another one. So this is another citation here. I have Santra Madal et al. 2020. Okay. So I just copy all of that. I copy. I come back to my Google Scholar. I clear this. I paste. Okay. So does it look like what I'm looking for? No. So what do? I can clear this and search for this only. So is it talking about what I'm looking for? No. It's not talking about what I'm looking for. It's not talking about what I'm looking for. It's not talking about what I'm looking for. Okay. So I can search through if I can find it. I search through if I can find it. So it's trying to talk about, let me check that again. Overcome the problem of redundancy and irregularity of knowledge representation and offers computational efficiency. Okay, so I look for something that seems to relate to this. So if it says at all, it means it's more than one author. So medical expert system for low back pain, design issues, and conflict resolution. Now, this is where it is. It talks about resolution. So we come here, pick it, all right, copy, I come in here, then I paste. So which means this is also a wrong citation. It should be Santra et al. 2020. All right, Santra et al. 2020. That's the correct way to cite. Okay, now let's try another one. Eyasu et al. 2020. Let's find that also. It's cited but no reference. Cited but no reference. Let's search for that. Okay, so I have it immediately here. You can see prototype knowledge base. So I can also come in here, check it out, and then I get my reference. So a lot of times when people struggle with not finding references, this is an easy way to go about it. Safia 2020. Okay, it's talking about reliable medical diagnosis services based on IoT. All right, let me search with this only and see if I would find it. So clear this off, come here. Okay, so because we have a lot of it, I move on to this place and then I search with this IoT and all of that. So I come back here, enter. Okay, so I have it, an innovative IoT for medical diagnosis. Let's see where the problem is. So citation. So it means this is also, that article is already cited wrongly. Okay, so it's not supposed to be Safia, it's supposed to be Abbas et al. Okay, it's supposed to be Abbas et al. So a lot of times this is an easy way to really get the right citation when you make a mistake, and then how you can also find references. Now, if I have a reference section, what do I do? I can copy all of this. Okay, so I have my reference section, references, then I can copy it. So I may choose to reformat this. So immediately all my work that is cited become referenced. Okay, so all my work that is cited becomes referenced. So that's exactly how to go about it. So what you do, you pick that citation, you paste it on Google Scholar. Okay, if you paste it on Google Scholar, I didn't copy that. So you pick that reference, paste it on Google Scholar, try to search. If it seems to bring so many of them for you, so you copy a part of that text. Okay, just put a plus part of that text, and then it brings the exact thing for you. Then you click on the quotation mark, and then you find your reference style, and then you paste. So that's a very easy way to get the references to your citation. So I hope you learned so much from this video. So if you write articles, you do a lot of those things, most especially academic articles, you can make use of these techniques to get references for your citations. So if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section. Let me know if you got value from this video. Let me also know what you still want to learn about article writing, journal writing, academic writings. Just let me know. I may just put up a video on your request. So please don't forget to share this video with all your friends who are writing research in the research industry, maybe an undergraduate student, postgraduate student, your project student, you do research and you really want to make use of this. Feel free to make use of it. You can also share the link with friends. Let them also watch and come and learn. If you are a research supervisor, you want your students to do these things easily, you can just share the videos with them and let them make use of this. So you can drop your comment, you can like, you can also do well to share with friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of values for those in the academia. Thank you so much. I'm Abiodun Mustafa. I'm an educator. Yes, I work in the academia, and I'm also an IT researcher. Thank you. See you in the next video.